Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2016 Holden Barina hatch, stock reference number 4913. This shape runs from the 11th month 2011 through to the 8th month 2016. It has an F16D4 1.6 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. F16D4 1.6 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. We have the right-hand headlight. Left front 15-inch factory alloy mag with the average tyre. Left power door mirror. Both left-hand doors appear to have no damage. Left rear 15-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. With the left-hand tail light, tidy rear bumper cover. Tailgate appears to have no damage. Right-hand tail light, right rear 15-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Right rear door appears to have no damage. Right front door has one small dent. Right guard appears to have no damage. Right power door mirror and a right front 15-inch factory alloy mag with an average tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black clock interior, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, heater controls, single stack CD player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel with cruise and audio buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.